PCI On-Demand Technical Knowledge and Education is only a click away at the eLearning Center. On PCI's homepage, pci.org, click Education at the top of the page. On PCI's Education page, you will see a variety of PCI educational opportunities. Under the Continuing Education box, you will see the eLearning Center. Click this to access the eLearning site. To access the courses in the eLearning Center, you will need to log in clicking the icon in the top right corner. Your username and password is the same one you used to log in to pci.org. After logging in, you may now search for the courses that are offered. PCI has two types of courses: education and certification. Certification courses require additional registration that can be found on the description of the course. Our education courses are broken down into 4 categories: technical, webinar, transportation systems, and non-CEU, non-PDH. The left side navigation has 5 options for you to choose. Catalog allows you to search for any course PCI offers. My Courses will show a listing of courses you have taken in the eLearning Center. Transcript will display any courses you have completed and allow you to download the corresponding certificate. By Invitation will let you enter the invitation code you will receive for certification courses. If you are unsure of what invitation code to use, please contact the administrator at epci@pci.org. Feedback will allow you to send an email to PCI about your e-learning experience. This will give us insight on what to improve in the eLearning Center. To find a course you want to take, use the search bar under Category. Courses that have an exam component or offer continuing education credits will be denoted under the course title. The course will be listed as free or with an associated cost in the blue boxes on the right side of the screen. Once you find the course you want, click on the name. To start the selected course, click Get Started. Click Go to Course to be taken to the page to start the video. Click Access to start the video. If the video has a credit or exam portion, you must watch the video until the end to access the exam or receive credit. After viewing the video and any associated documents, you can take the exam if it is available by clicking Go to Post Exam. If the Go to Post Exam button is not clickable, you may have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the Mark as Complete button first to let the system know you have completed viewing the material. Click Start Exam and complete each question to receive your continuing education units and credit. Your progress will automatically be saved in case you need to pause and return at a later time. Upon completion of the exam, you will be asked to give feedback about the course before receiving your continuing education units and credit. Answer the questions and hit Submit. On the next page, you will be able to claim your continuing education credit. If you do not need it, you can choose to waive the credit. Finally, if you have claimed a continuing education credit, you can download the certificate for the course. Thank you for watching, and remember to visit pci.org for the latest information and sign up to receive communication on new educational opportunities.